Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Square POS app works, what features it includes, and whether it's a good fit for different types of businesses, including its pros and cons. Square POS is a free point-of-sale system created by Block, Inc., designed to serve small to medium-sized businesses. It allows you to accept in-person and online payments, manage inventory, track sales, and even offer loyalty programs all from your smartphone or tablet. The app works on both iOS and Android and pairs easily with Square's hardware, like contactless card readers and receipt printers. To get started, you create a free Square account and log into the app. You can then set up your catalog by adding items, setting prices, and organizing them into categories. The app lets you customize products with modifiers, apply taxes, track inventory in real time, and add barcodes. This makes it especially useful for restaurants, retail stores, service-based businesses, and even mobile setups like food trucks. In terms of payments, Square supports tap, chip, swipe cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and even manual card entry. Transactions are secure, and deposits typically arrive in your linked bank account by the next business day. The app itself is free to use, but Square charges 2.6% plus 10 per in-person transaction. There are also optional paid features like Square for Restaurants, advanced team management, and payroll tools that businesses can upgrade to if needed. Square POS also includes a dashboard that provides real-time reports and analytics on sales performance, customer trends, and employee activity. You can access this data from the app or online through your Square dashboard. It also integrates seamlessly with other Square tools like Appointments, Online Store, and Invoices, making it an all-in-one system for business owners. However, there are a few drawbacks. For one, Square POS is best suited for small to mid-sized businesses. Larger operations may find its features too limited or basic. While the app is free, the transaction fees can add up over time, especially for high-volume businesses. Also, customer service is mostly limited to business hours, and some users have mentioned delays in getting support when issues arise. If you're running a small business and want a modern, simple, and integrated point-of-sale system, Square POS is definitely worth checking out. It's easy to set up, has reliable performance, and doesn't require a monthly subscription to get started. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.